Alright, we are going to briefly explain how to use a microscope before starting today's activities. So, advanced biology only gets to use my brand new microscopes. Nobody else. They're my babies. So, you're going to learn about all of the different parts of a microscope in class today. But we're just talking about some of the rules or some of my pet peeves of when using a microscope. So first of all, they all come with a little cover. Put the cover back on when you're done. When you're finished, we want to wrap the cord around the bottom here. And so that way it's not all dangling while we're loose. So you'll learn about some of these things on your own today, but we always want to start when we're using our microscope with our stage. That's what this piece here is called. We always want to start with it in the lowest spot. Okay, so we have two different knobs here. There we go. So you have your coarse objective knob and your fine objective knob. This is the one that's going to give you lots of movement really easily. The little one, you can move it a lot without going very far. So fine movements, coarse movements. So again, start with it at the bottom. And then with your lenses here, your objective lenses, you always want to start with the lowest one. Okay, so you will use this piece is the lowest one, and they turn until they click into place. So we move from 4, and then you'll focus it at the 10. Once you've focused it on the 4, this is the only time that you use this coarse objective knob. Once I've focused it on this little one here, we are only then at that point using this little guy. Okay, so it's in focus, then I'm going to move it to the next level of magnification. From here, again, we're using this little knob. Put it in focus. Once it's focused, you can move it up to the next one. Again, using the little knob, moving it up to the last knob. This last knob here, if you read the side, it says 100 magnification, and it also says that we need oil. So when you use this one, we'll only do it for certain labs. You have to use what's called immersion oil, and you have to put it on your slide first before you can use this, and it helps with the refraction of the light for how magnified this is. We're not going to practice that today. We won't practice that until we get to the lab that actually needs it. So I've just focused it on this last one. When you're finished, you will always bring it back to the lowest objective here, and always return the stage to the very bottom with your coarse objective knob. Those are the two biggest things that drive me nuts. Putting it back to the small one and returning the stage to the lowest spot. Again, they're brand new. They're like $800 a piece, so please be nice to them. What makes them so fancy is that we have this oil immersion knob, which I didn't get to use till college, so you should be very proud of your biology knowledge. And then most of them have, after you plug it in, have a little on-off switch here, so don't forget to do that.